All right, it's a beautiful January day. Let's get out and do some ice fishing. What do you think? I think we might be able to make something happen with this setup. Let's get after it. After an excruciatingly long drive of about 4 minutes, we've made it to the lake. Let's get this thing unloaded. Well, this is gonna have to be a two-tripper because of our lunch items. Let's do it.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. 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 I'll never let you go.
All right, got some things set up. I'll give you a little tour. All right, here we are. Obviously, Chariot. Got our bags and stuff over here. All the stuff that we're not using anymore. Got some stuff out here staying cold. This is my good old camp chef. We're going to be making some burgers and brats here in a minute. I'll show you what's going on here. I'm sure there's somebody hiding inside. Ah! All right, little heater going on. There's my, I got a video on that guy, but that's my little custom sled that we're using in the house today. These guys set up. Our buddy's out here. He's going to be setting up his flip over here in a minute. But they're a little distracted because there's a little fishy on the bottom there. They gotta see if they can hook into him. Let's see if the camera actually works on this thing. Might be flashy, we'll see. It looks a little flashy. But you can kind of see it. There's this bait there. There's fish all across the bottom. Not too bad. See if we can get some. Alright, there's first one. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Just let him go. All right, cooking with gas now. What do we got in here? Ooh, bacon cheeseburger burgers and cheddar brats. The way God intended. This guy's over here chasing crappie still. Pulled one up, missed it on the camera, but. Garmin. Makes you feel worse, sometimes better, when you know they're not biting.
Fun fact, the clips don't float. Right to the bottom.
She's gone. This guy did what we told him not to do and dropped his phone in the hole. And we watched it go down in the scope. You might be able to see it. It's actually right there. That little tiny hump right there. Went all the way down. Doo 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 doo. Boom. I guess only one way to learn. Alright. Sorry for the lack of video the past hour or so, but didn't get a whole lot of fish at the end there and had to clean everything up, so that's what we did. Got things cleaned up. Laughed at our buddy there for losing his phone down the hole a couple more times, because that's just what you do. And got packed up and brought back over here, and yeah, we only caught about 6 or somewhere between 6 and 8 crappies, but there's a lot down there. Just weren't as hungry as you thought they were. It's the worst part about having a Garmin, is being able to see the fish staring at your bait and not wanting it. So, well, it works both ways. Anyway, have fun, stay safe, get outdoors.